Hey guys, today I'm going to walk you through how to adjust your mouse sensitivity and enable right-click functionality on your Mac. To get started, click on the Apple icon in the top left corner and select System Settings. Use the search bar at the top to type in Trackpad and click on the first option that says Trackpad. Here, you can adjust the track speed. I currently have it turned all the way up, but you can turn it down to make the mouse movement slower and less sensitive. Adjust it to whatever feels comfortable for you. To enable right-click functionality similar to Windows, look for the secondary click option. You can set it to either the right or left side of your mouse, depending on your preference. This section is generally where you'll find all your mouse settings. As you hover over each option, you'll see a short demonstration clip above showing what the setting does. That covers everything for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and support the channel by hitting the join button, subscribing, and clicking the bell icon to stay notified about future videos. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.